Hi, my name's Suzanne Murphy and I represent the Biopulsar technology. One of the most common questions that I get asked is, what's the difference between our system and other systems that are on the market? Well, the first thing I want you to observe is that the hand sensor itself has a lot of probes. We're not talking about one or two or wands that you're holding. We're talking about there's 49 sensors. Every sensor is connected to a different reflex zone area, which is connected to a different internal organ or part of the brain or endocrine gland in our body. A lot of systems that are out there have a single probe, and that probe you have to put it on the different areas to get the measuring. The problem with that is if you press a little bit too hard, you're going to change the frequency. You're literally giving a acupressure or acupuncture point stimulation. Whereas with our system, because we're measuring 49 probes simultaneously, it's not influenced by that. Another thing is there's systems out there that have handheld wands, but they're reliant on a lot of data that's been inputted. So let's just say, for example, you had a diagnosed illness, and in the accumulation of their data, your information was put into the system, but then maybe years later, that symptom that you were assessed at shifted and they found that you had another situation. So the information that could have been entered into the system could have been false information. Also, we have to understand, for example, the common headache is in thousands of different symptoms. So therefore, again, if we look at the data that's inputted into the system, it's all based on not necessarily evidence, but a client's subjective feelings. With our system, it's divulging exactly what's going on in the different organs and glands, so we can see specifics where other technologies rely on a lot of what I refer to hypothetical data. Sure, their screen presentation may give you a lot of options, and we do have software for that as well, but you don't know if an organ is hyperactive or hypoactive. You don't know the color vibrational frequency or the pulse that's coming from it, so you can't exactly determine if it's heat or whether it's coldness in that organ. With the Biopulsar, you can. We get it in a few different formats, one in the color perspective and another in a number value perspective, and another method in a graph analysis as well. So we have different ways of perceiving the information. But again, if we look at how a system is taking a measuring, would you rather have a system that has 49 probes or one or two probes? To me, I'll pick the system with 49 probes every time. So I hope that answers that question.